Today I'm going to be making guacamole. I find that there are many different uses or ways to eat guacamole, to incorporate them in meals. Obviously this is probably the most popular chips and guacamole. You go into a Mexican restaurant and you either get salsa or you get chips and guacamole. But I find it to be pretty diverse, and especially these days there are more and more either Tex-Mex or Southwestern or Mexican restaurants around, so you have more chefs, more creativity and different ideas. Some of the ways I like using guacamole, other than on chips. One, I used to work in a restaurant, and I was more or less the morning chef, the breakfast chef. And I find that with eggs, it goes really well with eggs. You can make like breakfast burrito, for instance. Scrambled eggs, some salsa, some guacamole, roll some cheese perhaps, roll it in a tortilla and eat it like that. I find it to be good in the morning, you know, and if you had some left over from the night before, or if you just, you know, wake up in the morning, you have a desire for guacamole, as you saw, it's very quick and easy to make.